Guys, welcome to the Omar Bros channel. Sorry I have been uploading for a while. Here's the reason. The first reason is when I was on YouTube my account was finished. I was able to get one of the account which has the Omar Bros plane trips and plane animations. Why am I used to Omar trips? And I couldn't get the other account until I had to get a phone because I forgot my other account's password. I decided to get my phone out and log in by phone. And right now we're back. As you could see, I'm on Temu, whatever it's called. Alright, if we go to orders, am I correct? So, orders. Let me look for the plane. Yep, here. Let's see. You see this plane? I was able to bought and I have it on this box. On this box I have it. So let's go to the next video. I meant next slide. So we can unbox this thing. And also thanks for GoFu for sponsoring this video if you don't know. Because it was delivered by GoFu. Because look closely what it says. Let's go up here. Thanks to Hey guys, give me a sec, okay? Give me like 1 second, I'll find the GoFu logo. So this is the GoFu logo. This is who delivered our plane. The GoFu. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. Put it in the comments if I spelled Temu or Temu right, or GoFu or GoFu right, or GOFL, whatever this heck is called. But GoFu, please, if you're watching this, I'm not roasting you or anything. And it team, if you're watching this, I'm not roasting you or anything, but that's how I say it. Since I'm not American, actually I'm a Moroccan, but I just want to get an American airline for Omar trips. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's go ahead and go to the next slide. Bye, guys. Hello, guys. We're on the next slide. Okay, whatever. That was just this finger I was doing like this. Okay, whatever. YouTube, please don't copyright that. Don't mind that. Please, guys. I'm not being rude or anything, but can you guys stop copyrighting my videos? Okay, I got it open. Let's open this beauty. And like I saw, look at this thing. Okay, let's open this wrapper. Oh, it's these thingies. But we got the plane. This actually arrived today on a snowy day. I don't know why, but here is the plane. American Airlines. Here, I'll show you around the screen. The screen is showing American Airlines. Okay, let's go ahead. And let's go ahead and do what it said. So let's open this. Actually, I never opened this for no reason. I wonder why, but okay. Here was what I did. So this was useful for Dector. But I don't use it for Dector. easy to play with. Alright. So that's it. Let me know what other things I should buy on Temu that are planes.